Here we are, getting ready to go inside. We're going to take a look at the floor plan, see how everything's set up. As soon as you enter the front door, you're in the living space, front room. Pretty open right into the dining space. There's a handyman that's working on a few things, touching up a few things, where we'll see some tools along the way. He's taking care of some painting, a few little touch-ups here and there. Do have a pantry space here. It is set up with a couple of shelves. There's tools right now on it. You will have everything cleaned out. Here we are to the other dining space. Access to out back. Let's take a peek out back really quick. This is inside the brick. You have a covered porch space here. Goes all the way down. Connects to the other sliding glass door over there, which is the master bedroom. We will get to that. Pool area. Pool does have a solar heat system to it. Gonna go into this bedroom here first. Has its own private AC unit. Closet here. We have a little bit of storage space up top over here. Coming into the bathroom. We have closet space here. Oversized tub. Walk-in shower here. Commode. More limited space. Alright, we're going to make a trek back through the kitchen, down the hallway over here. Beautiful view of the pool. Right from the kitchen sink. Have an office space here with floors. First bedroom over here to the right. Nice big walk-in closets. Have another guest bathroom over here. And here we are at the master. Have two nice large walk-in closets here. Dual sink. Stand-in walk-in shower and commode. And here we are to the other sliding glass door on the other side. And this here is walking through the house.